As WorldMiner, we believe that blockchain mining should not longer be a privilege of the few, and everyone should have the access to its benefits. In the future digital economy, regardless of location or wealth, everyone should have equal opportunities to participate and gain. We think that only together we can move towards a more inclusive, sustainable, and transparent future. That is the reason why WorldMiner strategically works with WorldCoin to shape the future with WorldCoin and to address the regulatory gaps in WorldCoin's global market within OpenAI's grand vision, to enhance its reach and influence. I am Ola Johannes Lind, the CEO of WorldMiner, and welcome to this episode of Blockchain Governance and AI. So we trust in the potential and the market of our coin, ATM, that was developed to provide that computing power to help fill the gaps left by WorldCoin and offering a substantial market opportunity. Users can acquire computing power at a low cost and earn the returns from both WorldCoin and WorldMiner. WorldMiner and WorldCoin, both aimed at the OpenAI's core initiative, has developed robust cryptocurrency financial ecosystem, and the support is top tier and demonstrating that strong capability. WorldMiner addresses the biometric policy barrier faced by WorldCoin in its global expansion by offering that unrestricted registration and participation platform for users across multiple countries. This move injects new momentum into WorldCoin's market value growth. With WorldMiner's global promotion, both WorldCoin and ATM values will easily increase. WorldMiner introduces a staking mining model that eliminates the need for expensive equipment purchases. User stakes a certain number of coins to receive computing power allocation, enables participation in mining and to earn rewards. Compared to traditional mining, staking mining significantly lowers the entry barriers and thresholds to reduce the costs. The ATM coin, positioned alongside WorldCoin, is currently undervalued. However, with the expansion that goes on in the project and the increased applications, the price is expected to rise substantially, offering a strong potential. WorldMiner provides not only basic staking mining returns, but also offers additional rewards through various incentive programs and activities. So by participating in staking reward programs and computing power competitions on the platform, users can earn extra returns, further boosting gains. Today's topic, blockchain governance and artificial intelligence. Since blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger technology that enables secure, transparent, and immutable record keeping, that eliminates the need for intermediaries in transactions, that gives individuals the ability to operate in peer-to-peer networks. In governance, however, is a critical component. Blockchain governance refers to the mechanisms by which decisions about protocol updates, consensus rules, and future developments are made within that blockchain ecosystem. On the other hand, decentralized governance expands the idea of blockchain by emphasizing the self-organizing capabilities of users and participants. Unlike traditional corporate or political governance structures, blockchain governance aims to be more democratic, allowing participants, nodes, miners, token holders to contribute to decision-making through that transparent coded rules. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. Through learning algorithms, AI system would and can make decisions, perform tasks, and even evolve over time. Artificial intelligence is categorized into narrow AI, designed for specific tasks, or general AI, which can perform any cognitive task. AI's ability to process vast amount of data efficiently and autonomously makes it a powerful tool for any application, including governance, optimization, and security. So what is blockchain governance? Well, blockchain governance pertains to the way rules and policies are established and maintained and informs within that blockchain network. This governance includes decisions related to upgrades, technical challenges, and the evolutions of blockchain protocols. Blockchain systems, by their way and their nature, aim for decentralization. That means governance becomes a complex issue involving numerous stakeholders, from developers to miners to end users. Normally, there's two kind of models for blockchain governance. On-chain governance, their decisions are encoded into smart contracts and changes are implemented directly on the blockchain through a voting process. The off-chain governance are made outside the blockchain via forum or social consensus, and they are implemented by the developers or network participants. So on-chain governance is formalized and can involve voting mechanisms. Projects like Tezos and Polkadot, they utilize on-chain voting for protocol upgrades. So their governance rules are encoded into the system, making it transparent and automated. But there is always risk associated with voter apathy and centralization. When it comes to off-chain governance, relies on that informal structure. Bitcoin, Ethereum, for instance, depend on developers, miners, and users to propose and reach a consensus about the protocol changes. This approach can be more flexible, but less transparent, and it sometimes leads to splits, as we've seen in both with Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Voting mechanisms are integral part of blockchain governance, specifically in on-chain system. And there is different models that exist. One, proof of stake. In the proof of stake, like Ethereum, like WorldMiner at the moment, token holders vote on protocol changes and proportional to the number of tokens they own, those who has more token are giving more voting power. Like delegated proof of stake, the POS, like in EOS, for example, their token holders elect a smaller number of delegates who makes that governance decision, like a board. This helps avoid voters' apathy by concentrating decision-making powered in trusted delegates. And then DAO, the decentralized autonomous organizations. They are another governance model built on blockchain. DAOs are organizations governed by that smart contract, allowing stakeholders to vote on proposals in a decentralized manner. This system enables projects to operate without centralized control, promoting a high degree of democratization and transparency. And this I would wish they have more in municipalities and local governments, for example. So while blockchain governance promises decentralization, there are several challenges. The centralization risks. Despite the goal of that decentralization, proof of stake and deep proof of stakes models can become centralized when large stakeholders wield too much influence. The voter apathy. In an on-chain system, many token holders may not participate in voting process, leading to unrepresentative governance outcome. The scalability issues. The more decentralized the system is harder it becomes to scale governance processes efficiently, especially when a consensus must be reached among a large group of participants. So, what is artificial intelligence governance? Well, it refers to that frameworks and rules that manage development, deployment, and oversight of AI systems. It involves ensuring that AI systems act in ethical, transparent, and accountable ways. mitigating the potential risks as bias, lack of transparency, and unanticipated consequences of autonomous decision-making. The governance models in AI also focus on how these systems interact with humans, institutions, and laws. So AI in governance models, like applications, they have already been incorporated in decision-making progress in governance models, specifically in predictive analytics and optimization. And some of them could include the predictive analytics, where AI systems analyze vast data to predict future trends, voting behaviors, or economic outcomes. These tools are especially useful in large-scale governance systems to assist in informed decision-making. The automation and decision-making. AI models can autonomously make governance-related decisions in real time. For example, in blockchain system, AI could assist in automatic dispute resolution or performance optimization of decentralized applications like in DApps. As with any powerful technology, there is challenges. And that's also are in governing of artificial intelligence, like the ethical concerns. AI models might perpetuate bias to lead to unfair decisions. Issues surrounding ethics and fairness are critical, especially in systems where AI governs crucial processes. The bias and the fairness in the models that often trained on biased data that can result in unfair or unequal outcomes, which pose a significant concern in governance scenarios. The accountability and the transparency in AI systems, specifically in deep learning models, are often black boxes, meaning their internal decision-making process are difficult to interpret, leading to concerns about their accountability. Then the convergence of blockchain governance and artificial intelligence holds immense potentials. Blockchain offers transparency, immutability, and decentralization, while artificial intelligence brings efficiency, optimization, and predictive capabilities. Together, they could revolutionize governance models in so many sectors. So how can it enhance the governance in blockchain? Well, the optimization in decision-making. AI automate the voting processes, verify identities, and ensure that the governance protocols are executed without human intervention. This could make decentralized governance more efficient and responsive. The efficiency in the consensus mechanisms. Well, the algorithms such as proof of work or proof of stake could be enhanced with AI by dynamically adjusting parameters to optimize for speed and security while reducing the energy consumption. Could that be? Well, mine. AI-driven DAOs. In DAOs, artificial intelligence can optimize operation by managing complex resource allocations, dispute resolutions, or even governance proposals based on that historical data and predictive analytics. In decentralized marketplaces, where it requires large data sets for training that could be sourced in a decentralized, transparent manner utilizing blockchain. That will eliminate monopolies on data, making AI development more inclusive. The provenance of the data security. I mean, blockchain's immutability can ensure that the data feed into AI models has been verified, preventing that data tampering, and ensure that the models are based on reliable information. So, use cases. Autonomous voting system. Tokenized incentives for AI models. I mean, blockchain system could reward AI model developers with tokens for contribution to a decentralized ecosystem, create a more collaborative and decentralized AI development framework, decentralized artificial intelligence marketplaces, where models and algorithms could be shared in a decentralized place where contributors are rewarded based on quality and performance of their models. So AI plus blockchain. Combined these two in a governance system will make it more effective, decentralized collaboration, both in decision-making, policy informants, and of course, in conflict resolution. While there are all these promising synergies between blockchain governance and artificial intelligence, there still are challenges. The trust and the transparency, specifically in these black box models that lacks explainabilities. That creates potential trust issues in the governance processes. The security risks, AI exploits on blockchain. Malicious AI could exploit these vulnerabilities in the smart contracts or in the consensus mechanisms, disrupting that governance. And obviously the regulatory uncertainty and the compliance issues. The scalability concerns. By integrating AI with decentralized systems may introduce a significant computational overhead, making scalability a concern. And the future. AI augmented decentralization could play a crucial role in scaling this decentralized system by automating governance processes and optimizing resource distribution. So the road ahead for blockchain AI governance system. Well, the future research and development are crucial, like in areas like explainable AI, secure multi-party computation, and decentralized data governance to make sure and ensure that the blockchain and the AI system works together effectively. So these technologies could eventually be applied to these sectors, ranging from anywhere from finance to healthcare, to reshape how organizations and institutions operates on a global scale. In crypto news this year, there was an article related to today's discussion, and that is about Casper Labs and IBM reveal Proof AI blockchain solutions for AI governance. So they introduced their new product, Proof AI, to enhance the transparency and audibility of artificial intelligence training using blockchain technology. So that release and their solution that leverage that blockchain technology to integrate seamlessly together with IBM's Watson X governance platform. And if Proof AI aims to provide that secure and reliable method for maintaining and sharing audit logs of AI data, that includes AI version control, multi-party access control, and advanced auditing future for AI training datasets. Because as regulators begin to demand greater accountability from businesses working with artificial intelligence, there is a clear and urgent need for businesses to de-risk AI initiatives. So Proof AI could be a part of the emerging AI governance stack, ensuring that businesses across industries can embrace AI with confidence and clarity. So the solution's first design partner, Grayscale AI, that specializes in supply chain inspection using X-ray imaging and AI algorithm to detect packaging errors or contaminations in food, drinks, and medicine before distribution. And they see in pharmaceutical and food and beverage that are heavily regulated, they require that robust assurance of product quality and safety. So they see and help that these standards by verifying that its inspection data remains untampered. So with Proof AI, Grayscale AI has established a reliable audit trail to ensure that all inspections are conducted transparently and thoroughly, which helps to uphold the highest quality of safety standard. So, WorldMiner's innovative staking mining platform that combines both artificial intelligence and blockchain. And our staking system allows these options depending on your budget. So what is staking? Staking is the process of locking cryptocurrency assets for a predetermined amount of time in order to support a blockchain operation. So staking your cryptocurrency earns you additional cryptocurrency. So many blockchain use proof of stake, where users stake predetermined amounts of cryptocurrency to support the blockchain by confirming fresh transaction and generate new blocks. In WorldMiner, we can enjoy 4 different staking mining methods. Dual coin mining is the number 1 entry into our platform, where you put 100 USDT in the value of 70% USDT and 30% ratio of SAM WorldMiner seed token together. This principle together generates for you every 24 hours both WorldCoin and WorldMiner coin in the same ratio, 70-30% ratio. That daily output will automatically be transferred to your wallet once it's generated. And it has 4 different modalities, depending on your way of interact with the platform. It could be 7 days that will give you 0.7% daily output, or a 30-day period mining staking that gives you 1% daily output, or it could be a 90 days that gives you 1.2% every day, or 180 days that gives you 1.5% daily output of the principal that you stake in the 70-30% ratio. So after your first staking period, you now have 4 different coins and you started with 2. It's 2. The principal USDT is a coin that doesn't go up, doesn't go down, can be traded on the secondary market. And with our WorldCoin, you can trade on the secondary market. And after you dual coin mining with the WorldMiner coin, you now can stake our second option, that is ATM mining. And that is our coin, that is the computing power that we utilize in our project. With that, you stake for 10 days and get 1% daily profit. And it is listed on the secondary market that you can trade freely. Third option is liquidity mining. Here is an interesting model because you stake either WorldCoin or ATM or both. You get 1.5% daily profit of the same coin, and the lockup period is 10 days. But if you decide to restake again after the 10-day period, platform grant you an additional 0.5% extra for the following staking period. And this restaking process can be done until you reach a maximum of 5% daily reward. Yes, 5% daily reward. Bear in mind that accumulated output percentage in this method is bound to each independent staking process that you started. And our last 4, easier earn model, gives you 0.7% daily profit, and you can utilize WorldCoin or WorldMiner coins or both. And it's only a lockup period of 24 hours because you need that liquidity. So there is many different ways to interact and start your journey with WorldMiner. So in conclusion, the intersection of blockchain governance and AI opens up exciting possibility for the future of decentralized decision-making. Blockchain provides that transparency, security, and decentralization. AI brings the optimization, efficiency, and predictive power. Together, they could redefine governance in a more democratic, scalable, and efficient manner. But obviously, there is regulatory, transparency, security risks involved. But the future holds a great potential for these technologies to work hand in hand to transform how we govern and organize ourselves in the digital age. That concludes our topic for today. Thank you, everybody, for joining. I see you in the next session. I am Ola Johannes Lind. the CEO of WealthMiner ATM. Thank you.